Hello dear students, welcome to this program. Today we are discussing an interesting topic which is about NAD plus and NADP plus, FAD and FMN, and to know about various functions and structure of NAD plus, NADP plus, FAD, FMN. Before discussing them in detail, let us first know its objectives. What is NAD plus and NADP plus? Brief description about FAD and FMN. To know about various functions and structure of NAD plus, NADP plus, FAD and FMN. Metabolism, the sum of all the chemical transformations taking place in a cell or organism, occur through a series of enzyme catalyzed reactions that constitute metabolic pathways. Each of the consecutive steps in a metabolic pathway brings about a specific small chemical change, usually the removal, transfer or addition of a particular atom or functional group. The precursor is converted into a product through a series of metabolic intermediates called metabolites. The term intermediary metabolism is often applied to the combined activities of all the metabolic pathways that interconvert precursors, metabolites and products of low molecular weight. Catabolism is the degradative phase of metabolism in which organic nutrient molecules, that is carbohydrates, fats and proteins, are converted into smaller, simpler end products like lactic acid, carbon dioxide and ammonia. Catabolic pathways release energy, some of which is conserved in the formation of ATP and reduced electron carriers, that is NADH, NADPH and FADH2. The rest is lost as heat. In anabolism, also called biosynthesis, small simple precursors are built up into larger and more complex molecules including lipids, polysaccharides, proteins and nucleic acids. Anabolic reactions require an input of energy, generally in the form of the phosphoryl group transfer potential of ATP and the reducing power of NADH, NADPH and FADH2. Now let us start with NAD plus and NADP plus. NAD, that is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is a coenzyme found in all living cells. The compound is a dinucleotide because it contains two nucleotides joined through the phosphate groups. One nucleotide contains an adenine base and the other nicotinamide. It was first discovered by the British biochemists Arthur Harden and William John Young. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide exists in two forms, an oxidized and reduced form, abbreviated as NAD plus and NADH respectively. It acts as a donor of ADP ribosylation reactions. In metabolism, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide is involved in redox reactions carrying electrons from one reaction to another. The coenzyme is therefore found in two forms in cells. NAD plus is an oxidizing agent. It accepts electrons from other molecules and becomes reduced, and this reaction forms NADH, which can then be used as a reducing agent to denote electrons. These electron transfer reactions are the main function of NAD. It's also used in other cellular processes, the most notable one being the substrate of enzymes that add or remove chemical groups from proteins. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, that is NADP plus, is a cofactor used in anabolic reactions such as lipid and nucleic acid synthesis, which require NADPH as a reducing agent. NADPH is the reduced form of NADP plus. NADP plus differs from NAD plus in the presence of an additional phosphate group on the 2' position of the ribose ring that carries the adenine moiety. Now coming to metabolite derived functions. Oxidoreductase binding of NAD plus. The main role of NAD plus in metabolism is the transfer of electrons from one molecule to another. Reactions of this type are catalyzed by a large group of enzymes called oxidoreductases. For example, NADH ubiquinone oxidoreductases catalyze the oxidation of NADH by coenzyme Q. Role in redox metabolism. The redox reaction catalyzed by oxidoreductases are vital in all parts of metabolism. But one particularly important area where their reactions occur in the release of energy from nutrients. Here, reduced compounds such as glucose and fatty acids are oxidized, thereby releasing energy. This energy is transferred to NAD+ by reduction to NADH as part of beta oxidation or glycolysis and the citric acid cycle. Since both the oxidized and reduced forms of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide are used in these linked sets of reactions, the cell maintains significant concentrations of both NAD+ and NADH with the high NAD+ and NADH ratio, allowing this coenzyme to act as both an oxidizing and a reducing agent. In contrast, NADPH provides the reducing equivalents for biosynthetic reactions and the oxidation reduction involved in protecting against the toxicity of ROS, that is, reactive oxygen species, allowing the regeneration of GSH, that is, reduced glutathione. NADPH is also used for anabolic pathways such as lipid synthesis, cholesterol synthesis, and fatty acid chain elongation. Now coming to non-redox roles. The coenzyme NAD+ is also consumed in ADP ribose transfer reactions. Enzymes called ADP ribosyl transferase add the ADP ribose moiety of this molecule to proteins in a post-translation modification called ADP ribosylation. Other NAD-dependent enzymes include DNA ligases, which join two DNA ends by using NAD+ as a substrate to donate an adenosine monophosphate, that is AMP moiety, to the 5' phosphate of one DNA end. Now coming to functions of NADP+. It's a cofactor used in anabolic reactions such as lipid and nucleic acid synthesis, which require NADPH as a reducing agent. Many dehydrogenases depend on nicotinamide coenzymes. These dehydrogenases use nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, that is NAD+, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, that is NADP+, or both, and are formed in the body from the vitamin niacin. The coenzymes are reduced by the specific substrate of the dehydrogenase and reoxidized by a suitable electron acceptor. They may freely and reversibly dissociate from the respective apoenzymes. NADP-linked dehydrogenases are found characteristically in reductive syntheses as in the extramitochondrial pathway of fatty acid synthesis and steroid synthesis, and also in the pentose phosphate pathway. Examples of NADP+ dependent enzymes are glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, Malic enzyme, etc. Now coming to vitamin-derived functions. Many coenzymes, cofactors and prostatic groups are derivatives of B vitamins. The water-soluble B complex vitamins supply important components of numerous coenzymes. Many coenzymes contain in addition the adenine, ribose and phosphoride moieties of AMP or ADP. Nicotinamide and riboflavin are components of the redox coenzymes, that is NAD and NADP, and FMN and FAD respectively. Pantothenic acid is a component of the acyl group carrier coenzyme A. Now coming to niacin or nicotinic acid, that is also known as pellagra preventive factor of Goldberg. The coenzymes of niacin, that is NAD+ and NADP+, can be synthesized by the essential amino acid tryptophan. The disease pellagra, that is Italian rough skin, has been known for centuries. However, its relation to the deficiency of the dietary factor was first identified by Kohlberger. Chemically, niacin is a pyridine derivative. Structurally, it is pyridine 3-carboxylic acid. The amide form of niacin is known as nicotinamide. Dietary nicotinamide, niacin and tryptophan, that is an essential amino acid, contribute to the synthesis of the coenzymes nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide NAD+ and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, that is NADP+. Nicotinamide is deaminated in the body to niacin. Niacin then undergoes a series of reactions to produce NAD+ and NADP+. Tryptophan produces crinolinate, which then forms nicotinate mononucleotide and ultimately NAD+ and NADP+. 60 mg of tryptophan is equivalent to 1 mg of niacin for the synthesis of niacin coenzymes. Phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate and ATP respectively provide ribose phosphate and AMP moieties for the synthesis of NAD+. Now coming to FAD and FMN. FAD, that is flavin adenine dinucleotide, is a redox cofactor, more specifically a prostatic group involved in several important reactions in metabolism. FAD can exist in 3 different redox states, which are quinone, semiquinone and hydroquinone. FAD is converted between these states by accepting or donating electrons. FAD consists of 2 main portions, an adenine nucleotide and a flavin mononucleotide bridged together through their phosphate groups. FMN, that is flavin mononucleotide, is a biomolecule produced from riboflavin by the enzyme riboflavin kinase and functions as prostatic group of various oxidoreductases including NADH dehydrogenase as well as cofactor in biological blue light photoreceptors. FMN is a stronger oxidizing agent and is particularly useful because it can take part in both 1 and 2 electron transfers. Now coming to metabolite-derived functions. It's involved in redox reactions. The flavin coenzymes participate in many redox reactions responsible for energy production. The functional unit of both the coenzymes is isoalloxarine ring, which serves as an acceptor of 2 hydrogen atoms. FAD or FMN undergo identical reversible reactions accepting 2 hydrogen atoms forming FMNH2 or FADH2. Now coming to flavoproteins. They are the enzymes that use flavin coenzymes, that is FMN or FAD, are called flavoproteins. The coenzymes often bind rather tightly to the protein, that is apoenzyme, either by non-covalent bonds or covalent bonds in holoenzyme. Many flavoproteins contain metal atoms, that is like iron, molybdenum, etc., which are known as metalloflavoprotein. Flavoproteins consist of a polypeptide bound tightly to one of the 2 related prostatic groups, either flavin adenine dinucleotide, that is FAD, or flavin mononucleotide, that is FMN. The prostatic groups of flavoproteins are derived from riboflavin, that is vitamin B2, and each is capable of accepting and donating 2 protons and 2 electrons. The major flavoproteins of the mitochondria are NADH dehydrogenase of the electron transport chain and succinate dehydrogenase of the TCA cycle. FMN and FAD are formed in the body from the vitamin riboflavin. FMN and FAD are usually tightly but not covalently bound to their respective apoenzyme proteins. Metalloflavoprotein consists 1 or more metals as essential cofactors. Examples of flavoprotein enzymes include L-amino acid oxidase, that is an FMN-linked enzyme found in kidney with general specificity for the oxidative deamination of the naturally occurring L-amino acids. Another example, we have xanthine oxidase, which contains molybdenum and plays an important role in the conversion of purine bases to uric acid and is of particular significance in uricotelic animals. And aldehyde dehydrogenase, that is an FAD-linked enzyme present in mammalian livers which contain molybdenum and non-heme iron and acts upon aldehydes and N-heterocyclic substrates. The mechanisms of oxidation and reduction of these enzymes are complex. Electron transport chain. The electron transport chain consists of 5 types of membrane-bound electron carriers: flavoproteins, cytochromes, copper atoms, ubiquinone, and iron sulfur proteins. With the exception of ubiquinone, all the redox centers within the respiratory chain that accept and donate electrons are prostatic groups, that is, non-amino acid components that are tightly associated with proteins. The respiratory chain consists of 4 complexes of electron carriers and 2 other carriers, that is ubiquinone and cytochrome C, that are independently disposed. Electrons enter the chain from either NADH via complex 1 or FADH2, a part of complex 2. Electrons are passed from either complex 1 or 2nd to ubiquinone, that is UQ, which exists as a pool within the lipid bilayer. Electrons are subsequently passed from reduced ubiquinone, that is ubiquinol, to complex 3rd and then to the peripheral protein, that is cytochrome C, which is thought to be mobile. Electrons are transferred from cytochrome C to complex 4, that is cytochrome oxidase, and then to oxygen to form water. The sites of proton translocation from the matrix to the cytosol are indicated. Now, complex 2nd or succinate dehydrogenase. Complex 2nd consists of 4 polypeptides, that is 2 hydrophobic subunits that anchor the protein in the membrane and 2 hydrophilic subunits that comprise the TCA cycle enzyme succinate dehydrogenase. Complex 2nd provides a pathway for feeding lower energy electrons once close to 0 millivolt from succinate to FAD to ubiquinone. The path from FADH2 at the enzyme catalytic site to ubiquinone takes the electrons over a distance of 40 angstrom through 3 iron sulfur clusters. Complex 2nd also contains a heme group which is thought to attract escaped electrons, thereby preventing the formation of destructive superoxide radicals. Electron transfer through complex 2nd is not accompanied by proton translocation. Electrons transferred from substrates to FADH2 and NADH are passed along a chain of electron carriers to oxygen, releasing energy that is used to generate an electrochemical gradient across the inner mitochondrial membrane. The controlled movement of protons back across the membrane through an ATP synthesizing enzyme is used to drive the formation of ATP at the enzyme's catalytic site. Each pair of electrons from NADH releases sufficient energy to drive the formation of approximately 3 ATPs, whereas the energy released from a pair of electrons from FADH2 accounts for the formation of approximately 2 ATPs. Involved in metabolism. The coenzymes FAD and FMN are associated with certain enzymes involved in carbohydrate, lipid, protein and purine metabolisms, besides electron transport chain. Examples of FAD-dependent enzymes in carbohydrate metabolism are pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex, and succinate dehydrogenase. Examples of FAD-dependent enzymes in lipid metabolism is acyl coenzyme A dehydrogenase. Examples of FAD-dependent enzymes in protein metabolism are glycine oxidase, D-amino acid oxidase, and examples of FAD-dependent enzymes in purine metabolism is xanthine oxidase. Now coming to example of FMN-dependent enzyme, that is L-amino acid oxidase. Prostatic groups, cofactors and coenzymes play important roles in catalysis. Many enzymes contain small non-protein molecules and metal ions that participate directly in substrate binding or catalysis. Termed prostatic groups, cofactors and coenzymes, these extend the repertoire of catalytic capabilities beyond those afforded by the limited number of functional groups present on the amino acyl side chains of peptides. Now coming to vitamin-derived functions. Riboflavin fulfilled its role in metabolism as the coenzymes flavin mononucleotide, that is FMN, and flavin adenine dinucleotide, that is FAD. FMN is formed by ATP-dependent phosphorylation of riboflavin, whereas FAD is synthesized by further reaction of FMN with ATP, in which its AMP moiety is transferred to the FMN. The main dietary sources of riboflavin are milk and dairy products. In addition, because of its intense yellow color, riboflavin is widely used as a food additive. Riboflavin, through its coenzymes, takes part in a variety of cellular oxidation reduction reactions. Chemically, riboflavin contains 6,7-dimethyl isoalloxacane, a heterocyclic 3-ring structure attached to D-ribitol by a nitrogen atom. Ribitol is an open-chain form of sugar ribose with the aldehyde group, that is CHO, reduced to alcohol. Riboflavin is stable to heat but sensitive to light. When exposed to ultraviolet rays of sunlight, it is converted to lumiflavin, which exhibits yellow fluorescence. The substances, namely lactoflavin from milk, hepatoflavin from liver, and ovoflavin from eggs, which were originally thought to be different, they are structurally identical to riboflavin. Now coming to coenzymes of riboflavin. Flavin mononucleotide, that is FMN, and flavin adenine dinucleotide, that is FAD. There are two coenzyme forms of riboflavin. The ribitol 5-carbon is linked to phosphatine. FMN FAD is formed from FMN by the transfer of an AMP moiety from ATP. It's all about this topic. I hope you understood. Thank you.